Conditional formatting is a feature in Microsoft Excel which allows us to apply various conditions in cells according to different criteria, such as colors, icons, or data bars. In a nutshell, we can say that conditional formatting provides another way to visualize data and makes our worksheet much easier to understand. In today's video, we will see how we can apply conditional formatting in various ways. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Monk. Let's start the video without any delays. Before starting the video, let's understand how conditional formatting works. This is a format where I have got sales 1 and sales 2. Over here I have to do sum total of sales 1 and sales 2. So the simple formula will be plus sales 1 plus sales 2 and we will do enter. We will drag this till end and we can see all the formulas over here. But what conditional formatting really does? Conditional formatting locks our cells. I'll lock my cells, function F4, function F4 and I'll do enter. So I haven't changed the formulas but locked the cells. Now I'll drag this till end and all the figures are same. In the same way conditional formatting works. I'll undo this. Now I'll take a random figure, 50,000. We will do our conditional formatting. We will select this. We'll go in home, conditional formatting, new rule, classic. From drop down we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And we will insert our formula over here. Plus or equal to this is greater than 50,000. We want our cells to be green. So we will be going in custom format, fill, and from drop down we will select green color. We will do OK and we will click OK over here also. OK. So all the cells got highlighted in green. Even the cells which have got figures less than 50,000 got highlighted. So what I told earlier, conditional formatting locks all the cells and takes first cell as reference. We will undo this. We will simply insert our formula over here. Plus or equal to this is greater than 50,000. We will do enter and we can see true over here. We will drag this. The cells which has figures less than 50,000 got false. So this is our actual formula. We will copy this. Now we will select this and we'll go to conditional formatting. New rule, classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format. And we will paste our formula over here. We will select green color and we will do OK, OK, and all the cells which has got figures less than 50,000 got highlighted. We will see one more example of this. Plus or equal to this is smaller than 50,000. We will do enter and we will drag this. The cells which has got figures less than 50,000 got true and the cells which has got figures more than 50,000 got false. We will copy our formula. We will select this. We'll go in conditional formatting, new rule, classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format and we will paste our formula over here. And this time we will do our cells as red. Custom format, fill, red. We will do OK, OK. So all the figures less than 50,000 got highlighted. In case we don't want to insert formulas manually, we will have to see each and everything very minutely. I'll delete this. I'll remove conditional formatting from here. We will select this. We'll go in conditional formatting, new rule, classic, and over here we will insert our formula. Plus or equal to this is less than 50,000. We want it to be red. Okay, so our conditional formatting is not working over here because this is taking first cell as the reference. We will be going to conditional formatting once again, manage rules. We will click over here, edit rule, means we will unlock the cells. Okay, okay, and all the cells got highlighted. We will see some more examples. Here I have to highlight quantity of mobiles only. Quantity less than 100 should be red. So if I'll select this and we'll be going to conditional formatting, new rule, classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format and I'll insert my formula over here. Plus or equal to, I'll take first cell as reference, less than 100. I have selected red color, I'll do OK, but before doing OK, I'll remove my dollars. Okay, so all the figures which are less than 100 got highlighted. Even the quantity of watch, tablet, TV, earphone, mobile. So here we will have to play with formulas. I'll undo this. I'll insert my formula over here and the formula will be plus or equal to and bracket open. I'll select items is equal to double inverted comma, mobile, double inverted comma, close, comma, quantity is less than 100. We will close the bracket and we will do enter. Now we will drag this till end. The quantity which are less than 100 are true and the quantity which are more than 100 got false. So we will copy our formula from here. We will select this and we'll go in conditional formatting. New rule, classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format. And we will insert our formula over here. We will do OK. And all the cells got highlighted where mobile is featured. We can delete this now. Here we will see another example. We have to highlight items and their quantity. Mobile quantity less than 100 should be red and mobile quantity more than 100 should be green. We will insert our formula over here. Plus or equal to, if bracket open, we will take this as our reference, is equal to double inverted comma mobile double inverted comma close. We will take this smaller than 100. We will close the bracket and we will do enter. We can see false over here. We will drag this. Quantity less than 100 is true and quantity more than 100 is false. We will copy our formula from here. We will select this. We will go in conditional formatting, new rule, classic, and we will paste our formula over here. And we'll see what happens. Okay. So the item got highlighted but quantity haven't got highlighted. What we will have to do? We will have to go in conditional formatting once again, manage rules, we'll click over here, edit rule, and we will have to insert dollar before G because we have to highlight our rows and not columns. Dollar. We will insert dollar behind H also, dollar, and we will do OK. OK. So here items as well as quantity got highlighted. Now we can delete our formula. Here we have got one more condition. Quantity more than 100 should be green. We will select this. We'll go in conditional formatting, manage rules. We'll click over here and we'll duplicate the rule. Now we will change this, edit rule. We will make this greater than 100 and we will change the color green. Okay. Okay. So quantity more than 100 got highlighted in green. We will see another example. Here we have to highlight specific cells. Saturday should be green and Sunday should be red. We will select this. We'll go in conditional formatting, new rule, classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Is equal to, we will select this, is equal to, double inverted comma, Saturday should be green. We will put Saturday, double inverted comma close. We will go in custom format, fill, and we will select green color over here. Okay, we will not remove dollar, we will do OK and we will see what happens. Okay, so our cells haven't got highlighted. We'll go in conditional formatting once again, manage rules, we'll click over here, edit rule, and we will remove dollar from here. Okay, we will do OK and our Saturdays got highlighted. We will go in conditional formatting once again, manage rules, duplicate rule, we'll click over here, edit rule. Here we will put Sunday, custom format, and we will select red color over here for Sunday. We'll do OK, 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 and our Saturdays and Sundays got highlighted. We will see another example over here. Here we have to highlight the whole row and the condition is Saturday should be green, Sunday should be red, and earphone should be blue. We have got a note over here. Color of Saturday and Sunday shouldn't change. So let's see what we can do. We will select all. We will go in conditional formatting, new rule, classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format. We will take this in right side. Equal to, we will select the day. We will remove dollar from here. Is equal to, first criteria is Saturday should be green, double inverted comma, Saturday, double inverted comma close. We will go in custom format. We will select green color. We will do OK and we will do OK over here also. So the whole row got highlighted of Saturday. Now we will highlight our Sundays, conditional formatting, manage rules, duplicate rule, edit. We will do Sunday over here, custom format, and we will select red color. OK, OK, and OK. So Sundays got highlighted. In fact, all the rows of Saturdays and Sundays got highlighted. Our third criteria is we have to highlight earphone in blue. We will go in conditional formatting, manage rule, duplicate rule. We'll click over here, edit rule. We will take this in right side and we will type earphone over here. Now we will have to change our cell reference. Currently our cell reference is D and the items are in E. So I'll come over here and we'll do it E. The color of earphone should be blue. I'll click over here, custom format, background color. I'll select blue. I'll do OK, OK, OK. So the whole row of earphone got highlighted. Here is one criteria. Color of Saturday and Sunday shouldn't change. But when I highlighted earphone, Sundays got changed. Means color of Sundays got changed. We will go in conditional formatting, manage rules, and we will click over here and we will take this down from the arrow key. we will do OK, and Saturdays and Sundays are highlighted as expected in green and red, and earphones are highlighted in blue. We will see another example. Here we have to highlight the blanks. We will select this. We'll go in conditional formatting, new rule, classic, and we will select use the formula to determine which cells to format. Plus or equal to, we will select this, is equal to double inverted comma twice, and we will do OK. So we can't see any result over here. We will be going in conditional formatting once again, manage rules. Over here we will click edit rule, and we will remove dollar from here. Let's see what the result we are going to get. OK. Okay, so we haven't got the desired result because some blanks are over here which are really not highlighted. Few blanks are over here also. We will select this once again. We'll go in conditional formatting, manage rules. We'll click over here, edit rule, and we'll remove dollar from here. We will do OK, and we'll do OK once again. Now we got the desired result. Each and every blank cell got highlighted. So whenever we are inserting any formula, we will have to keep dollars in mind. We will see another example. Highlight duplicate values. We will select this, conditional formatting. This time we will not go in new rule. We will go in highlight cell rule, and here we get option of duplicate values. We will click over here, OK, and all the duplicate values got highlighted. Another example. Here we have to highlight days. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, last 7 days, and last month. We will select this. We will go in conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, and here we get option of a date occurring. From here we can select whatever we want. Last month, I'll do OK, and 2nd December and 7th December got highlighted. I'll go in conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, date occurring, next month. I'll do OK, and I think there's no date of next month over here, so it haven't got highlighted. I'll change something. I'll do it Feb 23, conditional formatting, date occurring, and I'll select next month over here, and I'll do OK. So next month got highlighted. Here we have to highlight our cells with data bars, icon sets, and color scales. I'll select this. I'll be going in conditional formatting, data bars. I'll select a data bar from here. Now we will highlight with icon sets. I'll select this, conditional formatting, icon sets. I'll select one. Now we will insert our color scales, conditional formatting, color scales. Here we will have to notice something. We will be going in conditional formatting, manage rules, graded color scale, edit rule, and from here we can edit our formatting, number, percent, formula. From here also we can select something. We can change the colors from here, and we will do OK. OK. In the same way we can do for data bars and icon sets. We can edit whatever and wherever we want. Now we are going to see last example of conditional formatting, and this is really very interesting. We will be managing conditional formatting with drop downs. Here are two drop downs which I have already created in advance. We will select the items and our cells will be highlighted. So how we are going to do this? We will select this. We will go in conditional formatting, new rule. We will select classic. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Plus or equal to, we will take items as our reference. So our items are over here, is equal to, we will select this. We will remove dollar from here. We will select green color over here or yellow color. We will do OK. And all the cells of earphones got highlighted. When I'll change this, I'll do mobile. All the mobiles got highlighted. When I'll do this earbuds, all the earbuds got highlighted. Now we will do same thing for mobile. We will select our data. We will go in conditional formatting, manage rules, duplicate rules, and over here we will edit our rule. So we will have to change our cell reference. Earlier it was J. Now we will have to do it K because our mobile is in K, or just say our another drop down is over here in K. We will change the color. We will take this as red. We will do OK, OK. So the data of mobile got highlighted in red. In case we just want one item, we can delete this and one item will be highlighted. Even we can select mobile from here. If we will select mobile from here, the color will be highlighted in yellow and not red. And whenever we will select from here mobile, the data will be highlighted in red. We can delete this from here. Watch, TV, earbuds. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want, you can download it. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.